Today we are replacing the turn signal switch on this 2008 Pontiac G5. So we come in here, and first thing we have to do is remove this piece. So we're gonna take this panel down a little bit and remove this piece. We're gonna use a plastic pry bar right up in here and just pop, and see these two metal clips. They just pop loose. And then you can pop this piece loose. Pop. Pop. And off it comes. Now, we're gonna remove these two pieces. There's 3 7mm nuts, screws under here. So you'll need a 7mm, and you'll get down under here, and there's the first one. And we simply unscrew it. After we unscrew it, we're gonna pull this top piece up and see how the two pieces separate. So we're gonna get this one up out of the way, like that. It can just sit there. And there's our switch. There's the two little plug-ins. So we're gonna come down here. We're gonna drop this out of the way. And there we go. We've taken the screws out and these just come apart. See, it's got a clip that would normally hold it. Somebody's evidently been in this one before. Now your switch is held with these two little tabs right here. There's one. My zoom isn't working. I need to clean my lens. And then there's a clip here. So these two clips, they come loose, and this should wiggle up. Should wiggle right out. Need to disconnect these two little wire harnesses first by pushing the little tab. Okay, got one, and have this other tab to unplug this plug. Just squeeze there. And it took 2 hands, had to pull a little hard to get those unplugged. But there you go. There's the broken switch. So now we can compare our new one to our old one and see they work the same. This one's just broke. Assembly is just the reverse. Put the two plugs back in. Get your part up out of the way. So assembly is the reverse. You just push the two plugs in. I'd have to move the handle down a little bit to get it to snap into place. And you want to get these two tabs to lock. You lock the tabs by pushing them down, and there they locked in. Assembly again is the reverse. You just put your pieces back up and lock them together. These two pieces interlock right here. This tab goes on top of that bump. And putting back together is pretty much as simple as should lock in. You put this little piece in. It has an illuminator switch.